An amazing idea in popcorn popping. Optimal popping performance combined with fun popping action. The Presto Fountain Hot Air Popper makes great tasting low-fat popcorn with virtually no unpopped kernels. It's easy to use. Pour a half a cup of popcorn into the popping chamber and flip down the stainless steel restrictors. They keep kernels that have not yet popped in the chamber, so almost every kernel pops. Then put on the cover and plug it in. Hot air, not oil, creates a fountain of popcorn. Pops up to 20 cups in about 3.5 minutes. Prefer smaller batches? Pop as little as 5 cups in about 2.5 minutes. Pops any kind of popcorn, regular or gourmet. When popping is done, snap on the lid, flip over, and presto, the cover doubles as a serving bowl. Hulls drop through the built-in sifter for easy disposal. Just pop off the lid and discard the hulls. Cleanup is a breeze. Because corn pops with air rather than oil, there's no greasy mess. Base and cover simply wipe clean. The Fountain Hot Air Popper by Presto.
Get started with your KitchenAid pasta roller and cutter attachments. First, prepare your pasta dough. The recipe in your use and care guide is a great starting point. Insert the pasta roller attachment into the hub of your KitchenAid stand mixer and secure by tightening the hub knob. Start with your pasta roller on the widest setting to begin kneading your dough. Cut your pasta dough into sections that will fit into the pasta roller, usually about 4 sections per recipe. Turn your stand mixer to speed 2 and flatten one section of dough with your hands. Feed the dough through the pasta roller at least 3 times, folding the dough in half between each roll. Dust the pasta dough with flour throughout the rolling and cutting process to prevent sticking. Repeat the rolling process until the dough is smooth and pliable. Gradually increase the setting of your pasta roller until you reach your desired thickness. See the rolling and cutting video for recommended thickness settings for each type of pasta. When your pasta sheets are ready, remove the pasta roller and secure the pasta cutter of your choice into the stand mixer hub. Feed the flattened pasta sheets through the cutter, creating fresh, authentic noodles. Your pasta can be cooked immediately or dried using the KitchenAid pasta drying rack. When finished, remove the pasta cutter from the stand mixer and remove any dry dough with the cleaning brush. The pasta roller and cutter attachments. Making fresh pasta at home has never been easier. From KitchenAid.